Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solana Mevai token. Ticker symbol is MEV, M-E-V. Now this token was trending all day yesterday on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Even today I'm looking at DEX Screener right now, it's trending number 8. This token is up 29,908% in the past 24 hours. And I just saw that this token is also getting a brand new central exchange listing coming soon as well. And we're going to go over the information on the MEV token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Sol, S-O-L, Mevai. And on there they have 2,512 subscribers. So they're doing pretty well on their socials so far. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there, at Sol Mevai. It says, driving a DeFi forward with Solana Mevai, uniting advanced MEV strategies, immersive community engagement, and innovative trading signals. 2,440 Twitter followers, 37 tweets so far. And yeah, so it was just announced on Twitter that this token here will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting very soon on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token, one way you could get it is from Bitmart. Now Bitmart is not available in everyone's country, so we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token. But the first way would be to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get Bitmart on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and search MEV once it gets listed, and then simply buy the token. Now you will though have to wait until it gets listed on Bitmart. It is not available yet. So Bitmart just announced, it says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list MEV soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So follow MEV's Twitter there, or at Bitmart Exchange, and then you could know when it gets listed and then get the token. Or this token here is on the Solana blockchain. So basically you can get this token by funding your Phantom wallet or your Solflare or your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the MEV token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is solmev.ai. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll have a look at that in a second here. And this token is most likely also available on other decentralized exchanges for Solana, like Jupiter and Orca, along with Raydium. So I couldn't remember the name there. So yes, their webpage here has links to their socials. Mevai, blend of technology and strategy. So they have a bot. It says launch the bot. You can do that right from their page. They have a buy token button that'll take you right to Raydium. They have a Git book that's going to have all sorts of information in there. And they have DEX Tools chart. And yeah, and then you can also find this token on DEX Screener. And like I said, they've been trending in the top 10 on DEX Tools and DEX Screener for the last couple days. So Solana Mev AI is at the forefront of DeFi innovation, leveraging a maximally extractable value, which is MEV, through state-of-the-art technology and artificial intelligence. By fostering a strong community and focusing on profitability, our project introduces a pioneering approach to decentralized finance. So the DeFi ecosystem is ripe for transformation, with MEV playing a crucial role in optimizing trading strategies. Solana Mev AI harnesses this concept, bringing together advanced technology, artificial intelligence, and community-driven insights to empower users in their financial endeavors. So they have community engagement, so a central platform for user interaction where real-time analytics and success stories are shared, fostering transparency and trust within the community. They have signal groups, so innovative groups designed to provide users with AI-generated signals across various strategies like arbitrage, sandwich attacks, pool, incision, and validator injection. And they have the AI bot, the one that's available to use on their page. Our bot, powered by artificial intelligence, assesses the DeFi landscape to generate actionable MEV opportunities. It seamlessly integrates with user wallets, emphasizing the importance of our native tokens for accessing premium features and signals. Users start with the Start MEV button, initiating a process where the AI evaluates the holdings and provides tailored MEV opportunities. This system ensures a balance between rewarding users for participation and encouraging deeper engagement within our ecosystem. So Solana Mev AI is setting a new standard in DeFi, blending AI innovation with the untapped potential of MEV. Join us as we build a more profitable, transparent, and community-driven financial ecosystem. Only the highest of quality, offering HQ decisions that are backed by selective data analysis. Free trial period allowing you to explore the full capabilities of our technology, and does the job. Not just a concept, it's a fully operational tool that's live and ready for action. The AI arbitrage. So the MEV is extracting value through transaction order manipulation, flash collateral-free loans executed with one transaction, and cross exploiting price discrepancies across different markets. And so how the token, the tokenomics here, it says 1 billion tokens LP burned, 5% goes to the team, and it's on the Solana blockchain, and it is the utility token for the protocol, shaping the future of decentralization. And yeah, if you want to learn more, join their Twitter and their Telegram. Go check this token out. It's getting a Bitmart listing, and it's been trending on Dex Tools and Dex Screener the last couple days, so go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.